In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the calculator step within your BMC Atrium Integrator transformation. As you can see, I already have a basic transformation open. This is a CSV file that pushes straight into the computer system CMDB form. I have a requirement from the customer stating that they want to change their hostname values, which are currently coming in uppercase, to be lowercase. So we're going to use use the calculator step in order to accomplish this. So first thing I need to do is actually insert the calculator step, and I do that by coming over here, clicking on this design tab, which then lists all of my steps that I have available to me. Now I don't know which folder that's in, so I'm going to use the search box here. So I'm going to start typing calculator in here, and as you can see, the results change as I start typing values in the search window. And so not only does this show the name of the step, right? Not only am I searching the name of this step, excuse me, but I'm also searching for the description of the step. So if I highlight over this HTTP client, you can see right here that it has call. So that's matching what I'm typing up top, right? So, but very easily I saw the calculator step was up here. So I'm going to go ahead and drag that over to my transformation and then insert it in the hop between add consonants and the CMDB output. And I do that by just dragging and dropping, and when the line highlights, I just let go. It asks me if I want to split that hop, and yes, indeed I do. So now I'm going to right click and edit this step. First thing I'm going to do is change the name of it to give it a better description as opposed to calculator. So we're just going to call it lower hostname. If I was doing other things, I could give it a better description, but for this one, we're only doing the hostname. Now I'm going to click on this calculation field here, and this brings up the box of all of the different options that this calculator step can do. So at the top, you can see I have A plus B, which not only does arithmetic operations, but it'll also, if I give it two strings, it will add those two strings together, so to do some concatenation. So you can see all the other mathematical functions it can do. It can do some date calculations. You can strip out HTML content, all kinds of things. So what we were going to focus on here, though, is this lowercase of string A. So we're going to select that. It's going to bring that into our result box there. And now I just need to tell it what is field A, what is string A. So this is from our streams of data here. And so we're just going to choose hostname, and that box is in there now. And now all I need to do is declare a field that we're going to store this data into. So just for a note here, I don't need to declare these variables before I use them. So as I figure out a need for a variable or a new variable, I can just declare it and start using it. So right when I'm setting it, right? So we're just going to call this one lower host. Okay, and that's all we have to do. So now we have this new variable populated with the lower value of the host name, and it's in our stream of data here. And the next thing I need to do, or the only thing I need to do at this point, is just edit the push to the CMDB. So as you can see right here, this is my current stream. I'm pushing hostname into that CMDB field, and I just now want to change it to lower host. So as you can see, so that variable is already made available to us. So click OK, and there you go. I have calculator transforming some data for me, pushing that into the CMDB.